We're really excited about seeing a lot of our families, a lot of not only members of the Campbell community, but actually families from all over our region be able to come in, take a look at the space, purchase their memberships, and then they really get to understand how this space can be really transformed into meeting all of their many needs.
We were preparing to open back in May. First it was March, then it was May with the pandemic, and had some things to finish up, few things to finish up when the pandemic hit. So we've been getting those last few things finished. Still have a couple things to tidy up, as you do with any building project, but it was a matter of seeing what we could actually do by the mandates for gyms and conference centers and dining facilities with the bistro. So figuring out what it is we could do, making sure our machines were marked off for the accurate social distancing, making sure our room capacities are correct, and just doing the things we're allowed to do and not doing those things we're not allowed to do. So just making sure we stayed on top of all those regulations to be able to open.
One part of this building is the Impact Academy. With everything going on right now, I mean, is that still on track to be used this school year, or is that going to be delayed for a bit?
No, we're going to continue to use this space for the Northeast Ohio Impact Academy. The Impact Academy is the only STEM school in the Tri-County area that actually offers 7 through 12, where you could actually graduate from the 12th grade with industry credentials and in many cases an associate's degree. In order for this to exist, we needed to have those partnerships and we needed to have access to business and industry programs. Those pre-apprentice programs that we carve out for students gives them an authentic, a meaningful experience, so they're really prepared to go into that workforce or to continue their education into maybe a 4-year degree and beyond.
Eastern Gateway, Stark State will be beneficial, of course, for our students in our high school and our STEM school, as well as the community at large. Along with that, the Mahoning Valley College Access Program, we're happy to say, is working with our students in Campbell beginning this year. So that will offer another layer of support for our students, but they'll also interact with Eastern Gateway and Stark State, just so they know what Stark State, Eastern Gateway, what they have to offer after high school, as well as college credit plus classes that students can take while they're in high school. Southwoods is coming on, and probably some conversations between Southwoods and Eastern Gateway about what that medical track will look like, what fields are necessary for the medical profession, that possibly Eastern Gateway could offer some of those programs that Southwoods identifies as up and coming or needed areas for fulfillment. And of course the library is good for everyone, and they're going to work with our students at our elementary building right next door as well. The Mental Health and Recovery Board has been instrumental in helping us get this facility. So that's another part of our whole child, whole family philosophy out of this center. United Way is another one of our partners that works with the library and all of our other partners as well. So it's just a great partnership that we've been able to develop here, and look forward to working with all the partners.
If it weren't for just the people that are passionate about Northeastern Ohio and the leadership and all those partnering organizations, this wouldn't exist. And compliments to all the leaders and all the partnering organizations that embraced this vision and worked hard together so we could accomplish this together for really our area, our region. And it's exciting. We're really proud of it.
For over a century, Farmers National Bank has stood strong. Through booms and busts, peaks and valleys, we've learned to know the seasons and how to grow in each of them. During challenging times, everyone is reminded of the value of solid relationships in both life and business. Farmers, stand strong.